So we've spoken about, and a lot of people have asked, our 2023 fundraiser for the Royal Flying Doctor Services, celebrating our 50 years, guys. In the link below, we've finally got it. We've got a movie mag that the team have put together with some frequently asked questions, where it's at, any dietary, what's going to happen. But what you need to do is go in there. If you want to become a sponsor, please, there's a sponsors page in there with some links and go from there and who to speak to, or directly come to myself. We'd love to be able to have some people on board. But please go to our movie mag. Everything's there, hidden there. And what you'll do is at trybooking.com. All the information's there. We're going to ask for some information from you guys. We need to start setting this up, ramping it up, get it out to your friends, get it out to your peers as well. So we want to see people, or if there's somebody you think that has dealt with somebody to do with Sandgate Auto Electrics over the last 50 years, we'd love to see you there and have that opportunity to see you. So grab those tickets so the team can start getting on board and making sure that we've got everything ready for you. But please, we are so excited about what's about to happen. So have a great day and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.